I always like to say at trade shows that flies don't like Chanel No. 5, so the odor isn't pleasant to you and me, but they love it. I'm Stephanie, and this is our rescue disposable fly trap. You'll need a pair of scissors and some water. There is a dotted line around the top of the trap. What you'll do first is take your scissors and just cut on the dotted line. That's how the flies get in, but that's also how you add water to activate the trap. So after you cut the top, you'll pull this center section up. Once you've pulled up the top cap, make note of the fill line on the back of the bag. That's where you'll fill your water to. Now, all the attractant is contained inside the trap. It's a water-soluble pouch, and after probably about an hour or so, the pouch will dissolve completely and it'll activate and start catching flies. So once you've filled it to the line, you can take a twist tie, a string or a wire, thread it through the top, and then hang it outdoors. You want to hang it about 20 feet away from your outdoor activity area because it does have a strong odor, but that's going to draw the flies away from you. Once this trap is full and it can hold up to 20,000 flies, then all you need to do is take it down, close the top, and then toss it away. I'm Stephanie, and I hope you enjoy your rescue disposable fly trap.